much does Hong Kong complicate what was already a tough situation?
Yeah, so from the research Pacific Epoch does, our focus is really on China internet in mainland China. So as you look at companies like Alibaba or JD, as you can see from the most recent results, they're doing quite well. And mainland China is really the focus for us and really the focus for these companies as well. So I think overall, as you look at China internet and you look at e-commerce in particular, these companies are going to continue to do well as that market continues to grow for the internet names there.
Joe, what do you read into what some are saying is less than stellar cloud performance here, perhaps versus Tencent? What does that mean about the breadth of Alibaba's strength?
Yeah, so Alibaba, clearly their primary focus is as an e-commerce platform in trying to attract users into their ecosystem, to keep them there, to get them to buy products as well as to spend more time there. I think obviously they're taking advantage of the great infrastructure that they've developed to support millions, hundreds of millions of users actively using their platform. And the cloud is obviously a good tangential business for them. Obviously, it's not a big business for them, and I think their focus will continue to be on retaining and enhancing their e-commerce platform.
Joe, how much of this, when you look at numbers from the likes of Alibaba, how much of this is a reflection of this secular shift in the role technology is playing in consumers' lives increasingly on a daily basis, and how much of it is actually a read on the state of the consumer in China specifically?
Yeah, I think your point is right on with respect to the consumers are looking for cost-effective ways to buy product in a convenient factor, and Alibaba is delivering on that promise. And I think that right now, e-commerce is only 20% of the total spend on the consumer market right now in China. So the e-commerce pie has tremendous growth opportunities. So the likes of Alibaba or JD are definitely benefiting from that shift from offline to online. And we think that that's going to continue. And we think that the growth for companies in the online space is looking very positive going forward.
What about, finally, how do you characterize the ability of the Alibabas of tomorrow to raise money in China from foreign investment?
Well, our focus is on the performance of these companies in mainland China and looking at it from the standpoint of what the consumer experience is. Obviously, if these companies are growing, if they're delivering on their promise to develop more products and services to support the needs of the consumer, then I would think that would lead to positive investment opportunities from other investors globally.